Hello and welcome to another video session of geekvale. We're going to talk about fractions and percentages, as how to convert fractions to percentages and how to go back. That is, how to convert a percentage to fraction. Okay, suppose that I have been given a fraction, something like 1 over 2, half. Okay, really simple. All you need to do to convert a fraction into a percentage, multiply by 100. That's it. It's as simple as that. Now, fancy way to do that is if you can figure out a common factor of something in the numerator and something in the denominator, you can cancel them out in cross as well. Yes, if the numerator and denominator share something common as up and down like that vertically, you can simplify that too. But if they share something common in the cross, like in this scenario, okay, 100 is not appearing exactly above 2, it's appearing in the cross. Okay, you can simplify that as well. So this is one way. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 50 is 100, and you get 50%. That's one way of doing it. Another way, if you've been given half and you have to convert that to percentage, you can multiply that with 100, which is the same technique as I mentioned earlier. All you need to do is multiply the fraction with 100. Now, what you can do is multiply these two and treat 100 as a fraction like this. Put a 1 below it. You can convert any number into a fraction by putting a 1 below it. If it's a whole number, if it's not a fraction, just put a 1 below it. Okay. Now multiply the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with the denominator. Again, you have to simplify it. 50%. Simple as that, right? Let's see if I have another fraction, something like quarter. Now, how to convert fraction to percentage? Multiply by 100. As simple as that. If the numerator, this one, and the denominator, this one, they share a common factor, yes they do. 4 times 1, 4 times 25. 25%. This is fancy way. It's hard to do that. Okay, no problem. Quarter multiplied by 100. This is method 1. Method 2 is that you treat the 100 as a fraction, put a 1 below it, multiply numerator with numerator, 1 times 100, and denominator with denominator, 4 times 1. You get 100 over 4. 100 divided by 4 is 25%. Simple and easy. Let's try one more example. Okay, suppose if I've been given 3 quarters and I have to convert this fraction to percentage. So all you need to do is multiply that with 100. Okay, now you can pick your method. Either you're gonna just simplify that, or either you can multiply and then simplify it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you both ways again. So my preferred method is that you simplify and then multiply. 4 times 1, 4 times 25. All you're left with is 3 in the left side and 25 on the right side, and there's the multiplication symbol between them. That means all you need to do is 3 times 25, which is 75%. Okay, on the right side, we're going to treat 100 as a fraction, 100 over 1. So numerator times the numerator, 3 times 100, denominator times the denominator, 4 times a 1. You get 300 over 4. Now, this is a fraction. We need to simplify it. If you don't know how to simplify fractions, you can check out the lecture on simplifying fractions. Okay, pick a common factor of 304. Or what you can do is just 304. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract, you get a 2 from there and 0 from there. Okay, 5, 20, subtract 0, 75%. It's as simple as that. Okay, now this is the situation, or this was all about converting the fractions to percentages. Now if I've been given a situation where I have to convert a percentage, let's say 54%, to a fraction, how to do that? Okay, so if you remember, to convert the fraction to percentage, all we did was multiply that with 100. Now we've been given the opposite situation, the opposite scenario, we have to convert the percentage back to the fraction. So we will do what? This thing, the percentage divided by 100. Now, this is a fraction. All we need to do is simplify it. Pick a common factor and simplify it. Divide by 2, divide by 2, you get 27 over 50. Now 27 over 50, they don't share a common factor, so this cannot be further simplified. That means this is the fraction in the simplest form, or this is our answer. Okay, another one could be, let's say 60%. Okay, all we need to do is divide it with 100 to convert that to a fraction. Okay, 60 divided by 100 equals to, this 0 and this 0 can cancel out, 6 over 10. Then you can divide up and down with 2, you get 3 over 5. As simple as that. That's it. Okay, let's try another example. Let's say I have 39%. So to convert that to fraction, we will do 39 over 100. And now 39 over 100, they don't share a common factor. That's right. So this will stay as it is. Okay, let's try it one more time. To convert a percentage to fraction, all we did was that if we've been given the percentage, we take that number, we divide it with 100, 0 cancel out with 0, we get 8 over 10. This is a fraction, we pick a common factor, 2, 2. Simplify, 8 divided by 2, 4, 10 divided by 2, 5, 4/5. That's it. So we studied that to convert fractions to percentages, all we need to do is multiply with 100, and to convert percentages back to fractions, all we need to do is that we divide it with 100. That's it. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you have any confusion. Follow us on Facebook, subscribe to my channel, like my channel, share it with your friends. Make sure to share it with your friends. These lectures take some time to prepare them, so it's quite a hard work thingy. I put a lot of effort in that, so support me, and you can visit our website if you need any tutoring. Thank you.